Hello friends, my name is Hitesh Agarwal. Welcome to my YouTube channel PHP Academy again. Today our topic is how to create observer in Magento 2. Before proceed, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon as well so you will get notified with our new topics in future. So friends, what is observer? Observer means if you want to trigger any events after any business logic. Okay, for example, you want to send SMS, okay, after order placement. You want to synchronize your customer data with MailChimp after registration or login or order placement. If you want to integrate any third party ERP API after order placement or inventory synchronization, etc. Okay, so you can use observer. Okay, you can create a observer which will call after your event and do the required action. Okay, so how you can use it, I will show you in further details. Okay, so here if you will see, I have created one module. Okay, observer example. How you can create a module. If you want to learn that, you can check out my previous videos where I have explained how you can create your own custom module. Okay, and here you can see in the module I have created events.xml, and event.xml I have added checkout submit all after. Okay, checkout submit all after is my event which you can find here in the after order placement. Okay, so for example, dispatch. Yeah, so here you can see that after order placement this event is called. Okay, so when this process when any customer will place the order, so these events will be called, and if it will find any event, so it will trigger. So I have defined that events. Okay, in the event name you need to define that, and observer name you can define any unique observer name. Okay, which is related to your logic, and in instance you can add your class name where you have created in your custom module. So in my example, I have created my module Mage Academy observer example, and in that I have created observer folder, and in that I have created submit observer. Okay, so submit observer you will see here that I have created that class, and execute is its default method. Okay, so I have added that, and here you will find the object which is passed in that uh, event. Okay, so if you will see here in the dispatch object, I am passing order object. It is passing of the order object and quote object. So you can see, you can get it here, both order object as well as quote object as well. Okay, so here you can write your business logic. I have just print out the my observer. Sorry, I have just print out the log, so I can know that my observer is called. Okay, so once you develop this module, you need to enable this module. I hope you know how to enable the module. Okay, so we will just see how it works. So I have opened website. Okay, so I will just place the order, add to cart, proceed. And I'm clicking on place order. So my order is placed. So here you can see order number is 4, and I will open, where log observer example. So here you can see my observer is called and order number is 4. Okay, now events area. So here I have mentioned that there are 7 areas you can define your events.xml. So Here you can see events.xml I have defined in the etc module directly. So it means I have defined the events.xml globally. Okay. So if I will place order either via front end or from the admin or from via APIs, my events.xml will be called. Okay. But what if I want to just call these events on the front end? Okay, so I have to define this events.xml in the front end area. So here you just need to create a one folder front end, and you need to define this here. So here, if you will define like this, okay. So if you will place the order from the front end, then only these events will be called. Otherwise, it will not call. Like if you will place the order from the back end, if you will place from API, it will not call. If I want to call these events only for the admin, then you have to define admin HTML. So you just need to create a folder admin HTML like this. Okay. So if I will place the order from the front end or API, it will this event will not call. Same if you want to use your events only for the cron tab, then you need to define cron tab folder. If you want to create if you want to use the events only for the REST API, then you can create a web API REST folder. If you want to create a events, if you want to call the events only for the SOAP API, then you can create a web API underscore SOAP folder. Or otherwise, if you want to call only for the GraphQL, which is recently launched by Magento GraphQL, so you can create a GraphQL folder. So these are the areas. So if you want to use that event for the particular area, then you can define this type of folder. Okay. So friends, I hope you like my this video. Please share and like my video if it helps full for you, and also share with your friends who wants to learn Magento. Thank you for watching my video.